right, so this is a Lady M cake, and we ordered it online because it's my wife's birthday, and I'm unable to go to their New York store to pick it up. So I had them shipped to me in New Jersey. Um, so it came in a box, plain box like this. And when you open the box, you are greeted with a instruction card, and this is how to properly thaw the cake for consumption. So apparently the cake is safely stored in there in dry ice, which keeps the temperature really, really like freezer-like. The cake was shipped from their warehouse yesterday, and today it got over here. So I mean, it's really close from New York to New Jersey in one day, which is pretty quick. But it is in dry ice. So at the on the instruction, they tell you to be really careful handling dry ice because it can burn your hand and damage and seriously injure your hand. So be really careful when you're handling the dry ice. Let it just evaporate when you open up the box. Once you let the dry ice evaporate, you can store it in your freezer for up to, it says for up to 2 months before you consume the cake, which is pretty nice. And the next step is when you're ready to eat the cake, you're gonna thaw it. And you're gonna thaw it in your refrigerator. Just let it sit in the refrigerator for about 10 hours. And it should be come down to a point that's soft enough to be cut and served, but not too soft where it's gonna start melting, okay? So, and step 4, if your cake comes with decorating pieces or decorating toppings, you have to go to this website to follow the instruction for the decoration. I don't think our cake come with the decorative topping because we ordered the green tea, which is our favorite cake. Every time we have the chance to try Lady M, we always get the green tea. So this is what I ordered. I think it was a 9-inch. It's about in a box this big. It says fragile, perishable. So now I'm gonna actually open up the box and actually check what exactly or how the cake is packed. And let's see. It's actually pretty cold. Like over here, I can already feel a lot of cold coming out. And you can see it's still frozen over there. So it comes in this little nice reusable bag, which I assume you can reuse later. All right, looks like that. So that's a dry ice over there. I think they said, I need to read the instruction again. Dispose of dry ice, allow the dry ice to evaporate inside the original box, away from children and pets. So, I don't know, but I need to take the cake out. But this is what the dry ice looks like. Let me move it to somewhere safe. Like here. So this is the dry ice in small pieces. I'm gonna remove those 2 pieces. And the cake is nicely stored inside there. So I am gonna take the cake out. And again, there is more dry ice on the bottom of the cake. So it's definitely kept in a refrigerator-like situation. It's super, super cold in here. Today's temperature is around 50, 60 degrees outside. The cake was delivered around 9 a.m. this morning, and right now it's about 7 p.m. Still feels like it's like solid ice cold. Okay, so I'm gonna take the cake out with 2 hands and I'll continue showing you guys how the cake is presented. All right, have the cake out of the box. A really nice box actually. Can definitely be reused. And it also, this box comes in this box, which had a very thick insulation all around the box. So it's like padded all over. Very nice packaging, very nice packing. The shipping cost is $25, which I think is well worth the price, considering the amount of efforts they put into keeping the cake frozen before it arrives to you. Now, besides the cake, it also comes with a very nice plastic knife, Lady M branded. So over there, that's a knife. And also, if you customize your greetings, they also send you a greeting card with the customized text on the card. So whatever you want to write over there in the text, be it happy anniversary, happy birthday, you can write it on their website when you're ordering, and it comes in this little greeting card over here. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just take a sneak peek what it looks like. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, all right, so the next step, of course, I'm gonna leave it in my fridge for about 10 hours, and by the time tomorrow, which is my wife's birthday, we should be ready to serve the Lady M green tea cake. And this is my experience unboxing the shipped Lady M cake that we ordered from their flagship store. And again, you order online, enter some customized text if you want to do a customized greeting cards, and pretty much pick up your cake and pay the shipping and with your credit card for the shipping and the cake, and you pretty much get it fairly quickly. So a couple of tips is do order in advance, because it takes them, I ordered last week and they process it this week. So if you're using standard shipping, they have like a 5 to 7 day leading time before they ship the cake. So take that in mind. And if you want the cake to be shipped like very quickly, like same day or the next day, you have to pay another, I think, $15, $20 premium for the expedited shipping. But other than that, you're getting a genuine Lady M cake up to your door. So if you guys live in an area that does not have Lady M store, but you do love Lady M cakes, this is your best way to get the Lady M cake. All right, so this is what it looks like when you cut it up. We left it in the fridge for about a day. This is the second day of the cake, and based on their instruction, they say, eat it within 2 days. So I think we're definitely gonna finish it by end of day today. And the cake actually held its shape pretty well. Really, really delicious cake, and you just cannot go wrong with Lady M. So I guess this sums up the whole unboxing experience, and the cake is very delicious. The matcha topping, so they give you in a Ziploc bag. Basically, you just sprinkle the matcha powder on the top of the cake after you have it defrosted, and that looks really, really good. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about our experience of unboxing a frozen Lady M cake delivered to your door, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below, and I'd be happy to answer the questions you have. Thanks again, and take care.